found recording material, and I have a game that made me laugh. So have fun with me suffering for like a lot, really kind of like a lot. Like you don't know, you just don't know. But, like it's just a lot. Just let me tell you. Let me just tell you. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait until this finished loading. Finish loading. Oh, wait until this finished loading. Also, I redesigned my character a little bit. Kind of. Almost. You know. Anyways, I'm gonna be playing Airplane Wars. What just happened? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What is happening? But what just happened? How am I still alive? How? Help me. Help. My controller doesn't work. Never mind, it works. Like, I just can't move. What the? Wait. Oh my. What is happening? What is this? What is this? Okay, yeah, now it works. There's only one thing to do. I need to invade the red team going. Grappling hook! Okay, I think that's a grappling hook. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to die. Loading my character. Oh god. There's only one thing to do. Why did I join in at that specific time? I don't like it. There's only one thing to do, guys. Plant a bomb. I live. Evade their plane. I can't believe red team. What the frick? I'm evading. What the? I need to invade from the top, not the bottom. That's how it works, right? Yep. What's happening to my game? What's happening to my game? My game's lagging. Why? Alright, now I can plant bombs. What the fuck? I can't move. I accept my death. Those are the planes being redone. What the fuck? I lived! What the fuck? Ah! Well, that didn't work. Time to grappling this. Still time to grappling this. Ah! What just happened? There's only one thing to do. Grappling hook. Just get dodge. Like jump. Grappling. This isn't working. Get grappling this. Grappling hook is not working. Why are you planning a Great, now I'm on the bottom of the plane. There's only one way to get out. Explode my way out. I did it! Now it's time for me to go and clap bombs in their ship. Destruction is here! Bomb blast. I planted a bomb and I explode the bomb. And what is happening to our ship? Let me go. Let me jump. Yeah. Let's grapple this. All the enemies have joined our team. Freaking dick. Nah! What is that? What? Hey guys, look, I'm Rayman. Without my other arm. I'm bald. Only one thing to do. Explode this plane! I accept my death! Grappling hook. Does anyone want to die? Oh shoot. I got bombed. They all died together. We're all just trying to get onto their plane. Wait, what the? What happens to my shirt? What happened to my? What is happening? Ah! Grappling hook failed me. What?
So you did change your name?
I'm planning to. What are these people? Why are you planting another bomb? Oh, you were good. Why are you people planting more bombs? Only one thing to do. Run, jump, grappling. It worked? It worked? Oh. Oh, no, it just, oh. Oh, it just did that. Oh. Why do I? Oh, okay. Only one thing to do. What the? Do I go around the ladder? Oh yeah, I do go around the ladder. There. What if I can color the shoes to make it red? I would like to color the shoes to make them red. That'd be nice. Why are there planting bombs? There's only one thing to do. Invade the red team's ship. We're gonna have to get to front. I feel like it's dangerous. I'm just gonna like that. Yeah, that's not safe. Yeah, it's safe. It's a safe opportunity. Anyways, I'm on their ship now, so I'm just gonna plant a bomb. Cyan! Suck guys! Whoa. I blew up their plane and now their plane's gone. I just like chaos. That's all I like. What's gonna happen if I plant a block? That's not fair! That's not fair! They get their plane fixed but we don't. That's not fair. You know what? I'm gonna blow up their plane. Even though I have little freaking grappling gun, I think. I mean, bomb gun. I like that gun, type of gun. Yeah, that should look. Come on. There we go. Now I have my opening. Plant bomb! Plant bomb! Plant bomb! It's every man for himself! I blow up in a chair. I'll die in chair history. Oh my airplane! Oh, airplane! No! We are grappling this. And I was about, I almost got Let's grappling this. Okay, what? Oh, hey, our plane's back. Okay, bomb! Bombs away! Oh no! Are you gonna fire enough away? Now the airplane's gone. I don't know. Why don't I just rocket launcher them from afar so they don't kill me?
Well, what's for your jacket, bro?
I'm on blue team, aka the bad team, because I like Red House. Red House better. Red team's better.
And now you with big shoes?
Yeah, I got a new jacket and new shoes, and I got new drip. Plus, I got new rockets. Your place is completely destroyed, and now ours is about to be completely destroyed. You will take away lad rocket launcher. This is just for chaos. I just like chaos now. Bomb. And the bomb's gone. Yes. Who wants to blow up our own ship? It's coming down. What is happening to my shirt and shoes whenever I get blown? What? Which plane are you I'm getting in that blade! Grappling hook! I'll climb it. Like Spider-Man. No, dude, we got plant bombs. That's how we win. Bomb attack. Run away from the bomb. That didn't blow up. Plant another bomb. Let's go. That blue just literally blew up. Oh, hey, thanks for the bombified. Hey, dude, wanna plant another bomb? To destroy their own house? Their own ship? Kick. Sayonara! Did I just killed someone on my own team owning this plane ship. Yo, Spin, you wanna play this game with me?
You wanna play? You wanna make fire with me?
Wait, what?
What?
Okay. And I'm gonna make a video about it. And I'm gonna make a video about it.
Are you recording?
Yeah?
Oh.
What? Did you say my name wrong? Who wants to blow up our own ship? If you have a bomb in your hand, you say yes. You guys don't have a bomb in your hand, so yeah, I'm just gonna sabotage you. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna be done with my vacation. Bye!